a Scandinavian gem, offers visitors an enticing blend of natural beauty, rich history, vibrant cities, and a high standard of living. Sweden, officially known as the Kingdom of Sweden, is a Nordic country located on the Scandinavian peninsula in northern Europe. Here's a detailed breakdown of the top 10 places you can't miss on your Swedish adventure. Stockholm. Sweden's vibrant capital is built on 14 islands and is a must-visit. Explore the medieval Gamla stan Old Town with its cobbled streets, colorful houses, and the royal palace. Visit the Vasa Museum, home to a remarkably preserved 17th century warship. Take a boat tour to admire the city's architecture from the water and get a glimpse of the Stockholm archipelago with its thousands of islands. Skansen Open Air Museum. Step back in time at Skansen, the world's oldest open-air museum. Explore traditional Swedish houses from different regions, see demonstrations of old crafts, and watch farmyard animals. Enjoy a traditional Swedish fika coffee and pastry at one of the cafes and soak in the historical atmosphere. Drottningholm Palace. Visit the UNESCO World Heritage Site, Drottningholm Palace, the private residence of the Swedish royal family. Explore the lavish staterooms, beautiful gardens, and the Chinese pavilion, a unique example of 18th century chinoiserie architecture. Take a boat tour to the palace from central Stockholm and enjoy the scenic journey. Uppsala. Explore the historic university town of Uppsala, known for its magnificent Uppsala Cathedral, the largest church in Scandinavia. Climb the cathedral tower for panoramic views of the city. Visit the Uppsala Castle, a former royal residence, and explore the university buildings and botanical gardens. Uppsala offers a charming atmosphere and a glimpse into Sweden's academic heritage. Gothenburg. Sweden's second largest city, Gothenburg boasts a maritime history and a vibrant cultural scene. Explore the historic Haga district with its wooden houses, shops, and cafes. Visit the Liseberg Amusement Park, a popular destination for families. Take a boat tour in the harbor and see the Älvsborgsbron, the longest suspension bridge in Sweden. Gothenburg offers a dynamic atmosphere and a mix of historical charm and modern attractions. Lake Mälaren. Escape the city and explore the beautiful Lake Mälaren, Sweden's third largest lake. Visit the medieval Gripsholm Castle, located on an island in the lake, and learn about its fascinating history. Go kayaking or canoeing on the lake and admire the surrounding scenery. Enjoy a traditional Swedish lunch at a lakeside restaurant and soak in the peaceful atmosphere. Archipelago of Stockholm. Discover the beauty of the Stockholm archipelago with its over 30,000 islands. Take a ferry to one of the inhabited islands, such as Vaxholm or Sandhamn, and explore charming fishing villages, beaches, and historical sites. Go kayaking or sailing among the islands and enjoy the serenity of the archipelago. The Stockholm archipelago offers a perfect escape for nature lovers. Gamla Uppsala. For a dose of Viking history, head to Gamla Uppsala, a historical site located near Uppsala. Explore the ancient burial mounds, believed to be the resting places of Viking kings and gods. Visit the Uppsala Cathedral's older predecessor, a ruined medieval cathedral offering a glimpse into Sweden's early Christian era. Gamla Uppsala provides a fascinating window into Sweden's Viking past. High Coast. Adventure awaits on the High Coast, a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its dramatic coastline and post-glacial rebound phenomenon. Hike or bike along the trails offering stunning views of the archipelago and the unique landscape shaped by the rising landmass. Go kayaking in the sheltered bays or visit the charming fishing villages along the coast. The High Coast is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. Dalarna. Immerse yourself in Swedish folklore and traditions in Dalarna, a central Swedish province known for its painted wooden houses, red cabins, and colorful horses. Visit the town of Talberg, a popular winter sports destination, or explore Nusnäs, known for its traditional Dala horse workshops. Dalarna offers a charming and authentic Swedish experience, perfect for those seeking a glimpse into Swedish culture beyond the big cities. Åland. Escape the mainland and explore the island of Åland, a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its unique landscape, historical sites, and long sandy beaches. Visit the medieval Borgholm Castle, a magnificent ruin overlooking the Baltic Sea. Explore the World Heritage Site of Stora Alvaret, a vast limestone plateau with a unique ecosystem and rare plants. Cycle along the scenic trails, relax on the beautiful beaches, and enjoy the laid-back atmosphere of Åland. This island paradise offers a perfect escape for those seeking a mix of history, nature, and relaxation.